Yes, everyone. Um, I just want to show you something real quick. How you can be able to insert multiple rows into a table using an insert into statement. So instead of writing a single insert statement for each row, you can apply a common delimited list of value for each row in the values clause. So the following figure illustrates the result of the multi-row, you know. So let me just show you guys real quick what I'm about to do. So this is the script. This is my database. So this is the statement insert into. This is the two tables that I'm inserting this data: human resources and department. This is the value. So now this is where the double multi insert comes in. So this is the first row and this is the second row. So the first row is international sales, sales and marketing, and the date of the insertion 2001. Second, because in America they write the first write month before date, and this we're in June. So okay, so now international sales. Okay, so this is the second row: media control, quality assurance, and the date of the section. So let's run this and see what happened. Instead of running only single row, so I'm running two rows. So this is the demarcation, the parentheses and the second parenthesis. So let me run it. So by default, SQL Server is going to initiate IDs for these two rows. It says two rows affected. So let me just do something real quick and pull it up and see how the rows was affected. Let me call it up. So now I'm using select all from human resources and department table, ordered by department ID, descend. So this is the formula how the data will appear. It's going to appear from up down. So let me run this one real quick and see what happened. So remember, this is the two rows I've just inserted. Okay, this is the two rows. Okay. By default it has number 22 and number 21. You see, this is the last row. This is media and quality assurance and the date. The second one, international sales, and the sales and marketing and the date. So this is the ID, this is the ID, and this is the name of the companies. This is the group names, and this is the date that was the modification date. This is it. Normally in database, these columns you see here are supposed to be kind of how do I put it, in vertical, but now it's in horizontal. So normally in database this should be in this form. This is how it should be. It's going to be like, normally this is how all this column is going to be, but in SQL Server it's going to present it by kind of this is vertical, so but in SQL Server it's horizontal, it's horizontal. So don't get confused. when you see the columns in the schemas. All right, so thank you for watching. So if you just want to enter, you can enter as much rows as you want. If I want to add another row here, I can just give it parentheses and comment it and add another row here. That's how it goes. All right, thank you for watching. See you some other time. Thank you, appreciate that. Bye for now.